You have been solving addition of number bases the wrong way. Let's see this question and get it started. The question says, find the base in which the following addition was performed. 2312 plus 1013 plus 2131 gives 11011. And for you to solve this question, you would want to do this. So we have the options A to be 7, B to be 6, C to be 5, and D to be 8. So what you want to do now is you want to do a kind of trial and improvement question. So let's try with base 7. So including base 7 to each of these. So what you want to do now is you want to add all these together in base 7. So 2 plus 3 is 5, then plus 1 is 6. Now, because 6 is less than the base, the answer right here should be 6. But of course, the answer given to us is 1 and not 6. So base 7 does not work fine. Let's try for bases. So we have 6, 6, 6. And we need to add this again just like before, but now in base 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number of counts is equal to the base makes it become 10. So which means we have to write 0 right here and carry the other one. But of course, as we can see, 1 is what we have there. So which means this is not in base 6. And now we need to try the other base, which is base 5. So we have to change this to base 5. And let's see if this is correct. Now we need to add this together. 2 plus 3 as 5 plus 1 as 6. So we count 6, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we are working on base 5, so any count of 5 becomes 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10. Then plus this one, which is 11. So all we have to do is we write 1 and then we carry 1. And we can see that this works fine because the value right there earlier in black is 1. So let's continue to see if these work for others. So we have 1, remaining 1. Now let's go add this again. We have these values in base 5, and this is 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 1, 3, plus 3, 6. So we have to count 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, any count of 5, because we are working on base 5, any count of 5 becomes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. Then plus this one to this, that's 11. So we need to write again over here. We need to write 1, then we carry 1. So let's do this addition again for these other values right here. We have 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus 0, still 4, plus 1, that's 5. So we go count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every count of 5 becomes 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10. So we are left with 10. So we write 0 and carry 1. So let's do the last addition. And then we have 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4, plus 2, which is 6. So we go count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And counts in base 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10 plus 1 makes 11. And that's 11 right here. And we can totally see that this solution is in base 5. And of course, you would agree with me that the correct option is C. Let's see this other question together. It says, in what number base is the addition 465 plus 24 plus 225 equals 1050? Let's try to arrange this properly. So we have 4. So we want to figure out what the base is And to do that, we're going to try the options one after the other. So the first option says 10. So let's try base 10 and see if this is okay. So we have base 10, base 10, base 10. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add these values together. So 5 plus 4 is 9, then plus 5 is 14. So let's count 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But remember that we are working on base 10. So everything we count becomes 10. So let's go count right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 right here. Then 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need to write 4 over here, then carry 1. But checking out, you would observe that 0 is what we have there earlier. So which means base 10 is not working fine. So let's try to go with the other base, which is base 9. So let's see base 9. So we want to work on base 9. We need to add these values together again. So we have 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. So we count 14 again. And remember, we are working on base 9. So every count of 9 becomes 10. Every count of 9 becomes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 and that makes 10. So we go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So at this place, 5 and carry 1. But of course, you will observe that 0 is what was there. So which means base 9 is not the correct option. So let's try for the next, which is base 8. So let's figure out base 8, base 8, base 8. And now we need to add these values again. So we already know it's 14. So let's count 14. We have, remember that we are working on base 8 now. So every count of 8 becomes 10. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this makes 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have to write 6 over here, then carry 1. And again, you observe that 0 was what is there. But of course, that is not correct. So base 8 is not working fine. So let's go with the last option and see base 7. We want to check because we are working on base 7. So every count of 7 becomes 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 10 already. So let's check the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another 10. So making total of 20. So we write 0 and we keep 2. So let's go check the addition of this right here. So we have 2 plus 6, which is 8, plus 2, which is 10, plus 2, which is 12. And we count 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's go add because we are working on base 7 right now. So let's check. Every count of 7 becomes 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 10. Let's check the other value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is not up to 7. So that's going to be plus 5, which is 15. So we write 5 over here. Write 5 over here. And we carry the remaining 1, which is making 15 there. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add these values again right here. So we already have 1 plus 4 to be 5 plus 2, that's 7. So let's go check. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, every count of the base becomes 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 10 over there. And this is the 10. So we can see right here that the correct option is
don't forget to like, share, and follow.
base
See you
7.
in the next class.